taking the 7:15 flight down to Dallas this morning. We're going to go meet Matt at the airport. He's going to drive us to the gables at Highland Park and tell us a little bit about the story. Excited to see this asset, and we'll see you at the property. Just don't tell Matt you're filming. It'll all be good. Trip, man. How are you?
Absolutely. Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
This asset, first and foremost, is all about the location. This is a very, very unique asset in all of multifamily in Dallas, period. The neighborhood is more of the amenity than the actual physical amenities we have on site today or will have. This is actually kind of the way that it's going to work. So here's the door. So here's the fireplace.
Okay.
We're in this room right now. So over here will become a new leasing and concierge service desk with, a brand new updated coffee machine. This will become all real hardwood floors on the bottom. This is the fitness center today. We're gonna probably square it off. We're gonna move the door. The door's back here, so the residents actually have to walk through the back of the house. That's just not the best experience. So we're either gonna move to the door to the back side or we're gonna move it to here. Like, obviously this is tiny.
You want to do pull-ups, man?
Yeah, exactly. Take out all the fitness center, come in with new fitness center, whether it's Peloton bikes or the treadmill.
Oh, that's it. These look like they're 20 years old.
And you look at it and you walk into these units and, at over 1,950 square feet, it's double the average size of any multifamily unit in Dallas. So on this side, what we're spending is right around $32,000 a unit. And it's a really big number comparative to traditional apartments. But if you start looking at it, look how much cabinet space.
Yeah, it's a big spend, man. 32,000. That's more than we've ever spent.
But the thing is where we could get hurt is if we don't do this one right. Like if we do not hit the quality mark that we need to, the residents aren't going to be, as excited about paying our rental premium.
All right, fund investors. We got a property, great location, a little bit ugly. You can see Matt's vision coming to life. Makes a lot of sense. $1.60 rents. Translating that, Chicago, something like this might rent for $2.50, $3 a square foot. We're in one of the most prestigious neighborhoods of all of Dallas. Business plan makes sense to us. All right, we're leaving the residences. We're gonna walk into the Gables brownstones here. And this is really pretty amazing. I mean, for a rental community to look like this, looks like a little village. It's awesome. It's got its own separate pool, 2-car garages, cedar, high-end everything, but they still need to be upgraded. They haven't been upgraded in several years, and we're gonna do some light touches. What are you spending on these units? What do we have programmed?
So we're spending about $10,000, significantly less than the residence side.
This is a 1-bedroom. How many square feet?
This one is 15, what's that? 1511.
That's a massive, it's a 1-bedroom with a kitchen and a living room and a dining room that big.
And a 2-car garage.
And a 2-car garage, wow. All right, we found our only knock of the Gables, which is this kiddie pool here. Not exactly substantial, but it probably does the job. We're just leaving the Gables. We're gonna take a drive around the neighborhood, check out some of the housing, check out some of the retail amenities, and just get a feel for the surrounding area.
So this neighborhood is the Highland Park, right? So it's known for big trees, beautiful homes, very affluent, has a,
known for big trees. Big trees. Everything's bigger in Texas.
That's right.
This right here on the corner, some of the highest end shops in all of Dallas. You've got Chanel, you've got Hermes, well built, and it's been a staple of this Highland Park area for a long time. In the world where retail is dead, this place is thriving right now. There we go, Deep Ellum. One of my favorite areas of Texas right here. Really cool, hip neighborhood, a lot of new stuff. This reminds me of kind of Bucktown, Wicker Park in Chicago. This is definitely the up and coming area. Yeah, we're going to get some authentic Texas barbecue here. Follow Matt in. Me personally, I like Old Crow in Chicago. I think it's great. True Texan runs that place too. This is going to be just as good, I'm sure. 11:15 in the morning, waiting in line for Texas barbecue. This place is
From Texas Monthly, we're reviewing the barbecue.
great location. Business plan is solid. We've got a great asset. Nothing, no complaints about it at all. Had a great lunch today too. Some Texas-style brisket. I would say maybe even a notch above Old Crow. I'll give you that one today. All right. And
well, at least it's above.
All right.
So.
Thanks, buddy.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too.